I wanted to take this time to feel into all the gratitude that I have for this community. Um, the way that you're showing up for each other, the way that you've shown up for Grow, and all of these amazing people that we have in this community that are just trying to make things better in all of these beautiful creative ways, whether it's charity, whether they're developers, they're contributors, running a pool in a place where it's almost impossible to run, and everything in between. You know, I'm really happy that I picked this community. I'm going to share what the Grow family looks like from the perspective of the size of their stake and how long they've been with Grow. Um, I'm going to share the screen. So this is Grow today. We've come a long ways. I remember when that stake had a lot less zeros behind it. And there were days and weeks where, you know, we felt invisible. And yet we knew that, there was a family, that was people out there with a vision, working hard in their own lives, trying to make their own difference, and seeing that this is a place that they can make a difference too. Yeah. So obviously, thank you. And I can't wait to meet the kids that we're taking care of, and just show them how big this family really is. Not just Grow, but everybody out there who's fighting so that it doesn't get dark. Right? That the light stays on. And we have something beautiful to give to our children. I want to honor the stake here. These guys have been with us since day one. And so many of you. Epoch 211. That's just 3 epochs in. Some of you have known all along. Better than me. Thank you for all of this love, and for believing and Grow, and in this incredible, beautiful community that we have. We're doing this. This is happening, and we really are doing it together. The stakeholders are everything. Where you put your energy, your stake, your loyalty, your ability to hold and sell when you feel you need to, and find that balance. That's what makes us all work. That's what I love about. That's what I love about proof of stake. It works with the heart of the people. The heart has to be there, or it doesn't work. Thank you so much, all of you, IOG, Cardano Foundation, our ambassadors, all of our leaders, and everybody on the ground for everything that you're doing right now. Don't forget on those days when it feels like you want to give up. Don't. Stay as long as you can and ask for help. We're here. We're here for each other. I love you guys. Thank you.